caution that in moments like this, there is always a temptation to divide, to accuse, and to seek advantage from tragedy. There is no country in the world without challenges, and there is no country without crime. That's why security agencies are created to fight crime. And we are determined to fight them. And we are fighting them. And I believe that with the help of God, we shall succeed. So the devils you see today, you shall see them no more. I want to caution that politicians should not try to take advantage of any tragedy that befalls our nation. Politicians and aspirants must resist that temptation for cheap publicity. Those who kidnap our children, terrorize our communities, murder our innocent citizens, do not distinguish between party, they don't distinguish between faith, neither do they distinguish between ethnic group or affiliation. The assault is directed against Nigeria itself. Therefore, our response must be equal to the challenge. We must stand united, we must stand firm, and we must be resolute in finding solutions together. Let us continue to support every lawful and necessary measure to strengthen security, protect our schools, protect our communities, protect our children, protect every Nigerian, and ensure that every bandit faces the full weight of the law. The challenge before us is very real. When you watch from the experiences of other countries, but so too is the courage of our government and the courage of Nigerians, the resilience of our institutions, and the enduring promise of Nigeria for a greater future. Let us therefore approach the days ahead with collective resolve. Let us differ honestly, but remain united in our devotion to the existence of Nigeria. Let us continue to conduct ourselves with dignity so that future generations will say that when Nigeria faced difficulties, such as what we are facing now, this Senate, the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, did not falter. When leadership was required, this Senate did so and did not shrink. And when duty called, the Senate answered. It is on that note that I want to employ the leader of the Senate to quickly fix a date for us to conclude our security summit, which we have started in various states of the Federation. So, clerk of the Senate, you will meet him and let him give you a date in spite of the tragedy we are facing so that we can go into serious discussion and now have that security summit with a view to submitting our own views and resolutions and what we think we can do to further add strength to what the security services are doing. With faith in God, confidence in our country, and determination in our purpose, I welcome you back to the service of your great country, Nigeria, through the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes, we came in numbers, but we lost few. May their souls rest in peace. And may no other senator suffer any mishap in this Senate. May God bless all of you. May God bless all of us. And may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you for listening to me.